Hello everybody, today I want to tell you about what is Facebook Marketplace on iPhone. Okay, what is the purpose? What is that thing? Okay, now in your Facebook you can sell your products. Okay, your physical products. Example, if you have one bed or one table that you never use and you need remove or kit out from your house, can you sell it on your Facebook Marketplace? On Marketplace is like your personal Amazon store. Okay, now you can select things new or use it. You need when you make your post, you can sell it if your product is new or use it. Okay, now you need update your app if you want to find your marketplace, and when you are here can you watch your marketplace. Okay, or here in the screen, okay, in down below can you watch home, reels and marketplace. Those here. Now these are products the people post. Okay, example, iPhone, cars, okay, and iPads, Panini Mundial now, and service like fix your phone or clean house and other things. Okay, hats, a lot of things. Now can you watch in the corner the shares bars and your profile, those here, and this is your menu profile. Okay, here you can add your products, example, create a new post and sell your thing or your vehicle or put your home for Airbnb, like a Airbnb. It's a similar but not at the same. Okay, it's like a Airbnb, or is rent your house. Example, if you want find someone that you can rent your house. Okay, you can make this here, post your house. It's so easier. And here in the before options you can sell the answer when the people write you because are interesting in your product. Okay, it's so easy and so popular. It's so easy seller things here. Okay, now this is all for this video. Sorry for my bad English, I know that is awful. I just wanted to get more experience with me speaking. I hope that this information worked for you, and have a good day and see you later.